I have a package here. Yes. So, yeah, I actually just filmed the 300 SL video. As soon as I got done filming it, this arrived at my door. I was like, I know what it is. And there's a look inside. I'm trying to be careful to not show my address because I actually did not lock it off, but yeah, hopefully, I don't think it came up on camera. It doesn't even matter because we're not looking at that box anymore. Here it is. This is what I got. The M2 Auto Club Lil Red Express truck. This went on sale Friday. Is it sold out? I don't know. But yeah, this is from M2. It went on sale Friday. Like I said, I'm filming this on a Wednesday, so it took 5 days to arrive, which is crazy. So yeah, I know M2 releases, I think, cause, I don't know, they're based out of like California, so probably why it takes like 2 seconds to arrive. It's actually insane. Anyway, let's take a look inside. Oh boy, this is the Lil Red Express truck. This is limited to there goes a piece of tissue paper. Limited to 1,488 pieces worldwide. Here it is. I know Hot Wheels has done this. And yeah, we're going to take a look at it. We're going to open it up and see what it's about. I always open these models. I open a lot of things. One thing I do not open is Supers, though. That is one of the things I keep carded, but... All right, let's see. Did I crack the sticker? And the answer to that question, I don't think I did. Come on. I think I'm just actually cutting the cardboard. Wow, I'm really bad at cutting open stuff. Hang on. Okay, I think I got it this time. Wait, no? Wait, I got it. Scored the cardboard a bit, but I don't care. Here we go. It's out of the box. I think I've only done one video. And look, I just did my rant about RLC acrylic cases. These actually slide in. They don't slot in, and it's actually nice because it doesn't take excessive force to take these off the base. So, as I did with the RLC video, which I'm honestly thinking about putting both the Mercedes and this up on the same day, Thursday. I have a lot of videos that are going to come out over the weekend, and I want them to do as best as they can. I want them to perform as best as they can. So I think I'm going to do a double upload on Thursday, and also to get these videos off my phone so I can have more storage for what is about to happen this weekend as I'm recording this. So yeah, getting this unscrewed, it's not going to take that long. I cut it out with the 300 SL, but this does not take long. So here it is. It is lowered and modified. Gold base. Interesting choice. It is metal. It does have these kind of gold mag wheels and gold smokestacks, or exhaust rather, bumpers, gold trim and stuff because it's a Lil Red Express. And then there's the front with all the gold. I think the hood opens on this guy. It looks like it does. I think it does. Yeah, it opens. I don't know if I can get it to open. Oh my gosh, there, it opened. Look at that. Now we can get it open more. I'm trying to be so careful. I'm trying to be as careful as I can with this, but it doesn't, it's giving me hell. Oh, prying it open. There you go. Just for a little bit of silver detail in there. All of that effort, fear of breaking the casting, just for all that. We're never going to open that again. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. This was like 40 bucks, so I don't know if this is $40 cool. It's got some wood here on the side, on the bed sides. This is cool. It's nice and modified. I don't think the actual Lil Red Express was slammed like this, but this is cool. This isn't like a square body or anything. It's actually a cool pickup. And it's something that I don't know how many... I know Hot Wheels did a Lil Red Express. I don't know if any other brand has done one, probably. But, some writing on the... Is that like a smudge, or is that actually... Is that a Hellcat badge? Or is that a smudge? Can't tell what that's supposed to be. Right above the Dodge logo there. I don't know. It's got 1978 on the license plate. Except I think it kind of looks a bit dodgy on there. I don't know. It's just the text, so it looks kind of weird. Same with the front. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys dig this or not? A bit of a short video, but I mean, I like it, but here's the thing. I always talk about cost, because with die-cast collecting, there's so much stuff. Is the cost really worth it? And I gotta say, I don't know with this release. I don't know. The last release they did, I actually don't remember what it was. I know they did like a 454, or like a 1990 Chevy pickup and like really cool like 90s deco, and I thought that was awesome. I don't know if there was like another one after that. I know they had like a microbus in like Pan Am livery. I don't remember if there was one that was before that or not. I really don't remember. But I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I read your comments. I want to know. Do you guys like this? Is it worth the $40? I'm kind of on the fence. It might not be worth the $40. Honestly, this might not be worth $40. It's cool. Don't get me wrong, but I don't know if it's $40 cool. And yeah, that's about it. See ya.